Hayi cima mfana. Yintoni ngoku lesikuyo ezothusayo azipheli because the not so relevant Siyacela Dlamuka, who is the star of the most watched reality TV shows on Moja Love, Isancane Lengane and Isizwe Sika Dlamuka, has informed his followers of his ambitions of entering Big Brother Mzansi and has urged his followers to help him get selected. Guys, I'm not making this up. He is very serious, guys. The screenshots of him showing that he's entered already, he's waiting to be selected. He also says that those who don't want to vote for him akazobacenga bazocengwa ngonyoko babo. Ligezana Eli, Inkosi. Hello, hi, welcome. I am Simiso Tashe, your Tommy that is always ready to spill the tea. No fear or favor, honey. So make sure you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any videos from this channel. Let me tell you that people were having a field day on the comment section. One question that kept popping was if he's going to be able to speak English, because zanga samva ethetha English. Usiyacela, hi, ingathi akuhambanga kahle mfana, hlala phansi. And also, does a married gent go to places such as your Big Brother Nabetunana? Or perhaps he's hoping that he might find wife number 2 who's going to work for him and bring him money. Hey, Hailo mfana, not that we care about him. Let's move on. What we care about is the gorgeous Han, Natasha Thahane. The whispers in the grapevine says she just got married over the weekend. Indaba ezingaka, I think she did hint us with her last post on TikTok. That music is giving it away, but shame the cat is already out of the bag. Whoever is still editing her pictures and videos zomtshato is late because osiyazi bayayazi, guys. Well, congratulations to her. Wait, who was Natasha Thahane's boyfriend anyway? Girl has kept her dating life under wraps. We know that she previously dated and has a child with soccer player Thembinkosi Lorch. Then she was also rumored to be dating actor Wiseman Ncube, but we learned that those were false rumors. So who is her husband? That is going to be a surprise that I think she's keeping for us. Whoever he is blessed, honey. What do you guys think of that silly boy Yakwa Dlamuka? Do you think he can be a good contestant on Big Brother, or will just Big Brother use him for views? I honestly don't want him there, man. Leave your comments below. Please like this video if you enjoyed this commentary. I will see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.